Ang mayon, tinaduma-duma nga ili di probinsya tayo. From the municipality of Adams, the Honorable Mayor Rosalia Dupague. Bacaran, Mayor Icomena C. de la Cruz Jr. Mayor Maximo D. Cahigal. Bangi, Mayor Fidel A. Simato Jr. Banang, Mayor Eric Christine C. Abadilla. Matac City, Mayor Albert E. Chua. Burgos, Mayor Vicente N. Garcia. Carasli, Mayor Romelia G. Gaspar. Pulimao, Mayor Edward T. Quilala. Dingras, Mayor Geoffrey P. Saki. Dumalneg, Mayor Francisco R. Espiritu Jr. Nawag City, Mayor Michael M. Kion. Marcos, Mayor Antonio V. Mariano. Nueva Era, Mayor Alvin R. Garfina. Pagudmud, Mayor Rafael Ralph L. Benemerito II. Paway, Mayor Sheila A. Galano. Pasuki, Mayor Robert D. Aguinaldo. Pindi, Mayor Georgina S. Guillen. Binili, Mayor Romel E. Labasa. San Nicolas, Mayor Domingo C. Ambrosio Jr. Sarat, Mayor Remigio B. Medrano. Sonsogna, Mayor Joseph E. De Lara. And Vitar, Mayor Richard A. Ligana. Ipahidaulo manin, ipanak sa batada, Incumbent Governor Matthew J. Marcos Manon.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Having been elected to the position of state your position and locality, do hereby solemnly swear that I will well and faithfully discharge, to the best of my ability, the duties of my present position and of all others I may hereafter hold. Under the Republic of the Philippines. that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines. And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations, Mom.
Congratulations to our Mayor